Hello. So task natin ngayon is to find the missing ID. So we have two tables here. We have the sales table and customer table. So yung goal natin is to find yung customer ID sa sales table na wala siya sa customer table. So first, um, what we can use is una yung VLOOKUP. So, yep. So VLOOKUP, type VLOOKUP and then lookup value. So this one is lookup value. And then next one is table array. So itong array natin. So return natin since isang column pinili natin, 1. And then we need the exact match. So kapag approximate match is 1 and we want the exact match, type 0, or you can just double click this one and then close. So double click. So ito, yung mga naka-NA, siya yung wala dito. So quick check, so we can just sort this one. Highlight mo lang, right click, sort, smallest to largest. Or sort largest to, yep, should be smallest to largest. So 41381, so nandun siya. Yung 41890, so wala. So usually ginagawa natin is you can just add filter. And then, filter mo lang dito yung mga naka-NA. So, ito yung mga wala. You can just copy this one and then paste natin as numbers. So, ito yan. So, we can also use XLOOKUP. So, from XLOOKUP, you can just use XLOOKUP. So, lookup value, this one. And then, yung lookup array, this one, and return array, so this one. So, if not found, you can just type missing. Missing. Yep. And then we need the exact match, right? And as 0 and then close. So, tapat mo lang siya dito, double click. So, para mag-fill siya dyan. So, same case, may kita nyo dito. Yan. Yung mga naka-NA doon, ito yung mga naka-missing. So, you can just apply here yung filter and then filter mo yung word missing. So, you can copy this one and paste this values here. So, yan. And so, yan yung usually, lalo na kung mahaba yung mga data natin. But, kung gusto natin makuha yung mga missing IDs, directly we can use the match. So, first, just type match. So, nakalagay yung lookup value. So, ito yung lookup value natin. And then, comma, lookup array. So, yan dyan. Match type should be exact match. Ayan, close na natin. Makapansin mo dito, etong binabalik na number dito is yung position ng ID dito sa customer table. So, for example, this one, ang position daw niya is number 3. So, if you check this one, pareho sila. But we don't need yung exact. We need yung wala. So, you can use is NA. So, makikita mo siya dito, true and false siya. So, if you want to convert this one number, times 1 mo lang siya. So, mapapansin mo dito, yung mga 1, siya yung mga missing. So, kaya yung mga true, ito yung mga missing. So, hindi sila match. And then, to get yung mga IDs, you can use the function filter. So, from filter na array, so highlight mo this one, comma. So, ito yung pangalawang include natin, yung kanina. And then, just close this one. Yep. So, yun dito, ito na yung mga values na wala. But just in case may duplicate siya, to make sure na wala siyang duplicate. So let's say, check lang natin kung meron duplicate values. So go to conditional formatting, highlight cell values, duplicate values. So currently, wala naman siyang duplicate values. Pero kung marami yung mga list natin, we can use the unique here. So unique. So sabi dito yung array. So ito yung array natin. And then just close this one. Yep. So ito na yung mga unique. So mapapansin nyo, pareho sila dito. So ito yung can use tree approach. So depende kung saan kayo sanay, saan yung gusto gamitin. And yep, let me know kung alin yung pinaka gusto nyong approach dito. Or baka meron ba kayong different approach. You can also share. So, yan muna. See you again.